Good morning, everyone. Well, today I'm back with my collection obsession, and it is Mintay's Lullaby Lane. And today I'm going to be scrapbooking this picture for Aiden's book. I did Alex's yesterday, and they're actually dressed matching. It's just that he's a little bit more in the shadows. Actually, she's kind of shadowed here too, so. Actually didn't even realize that until after I scrapbooked yesterday, so that's why I thought I'd just bring it up. Okay, so I've already put, this is my back paper, so I've framed it in that. And then I have this paper here, which is just so cute. And I took off 3/16 of an inch here, 3/16 of an inch here, and then I took off 3/8 right here because I'm gonna be covering up the stork on this side. Okay, so I'm gonna start by actually matting this. I've already matted it in white, and then I've taken this from the 6x8 and I'm gonna mat it again in this little gingham. As long as I can commit. Okay, I think that's the spot. Okay. I just liked it with that little bit extra red. Oh my gosh, I can still see. It's like where I pulled it off the... That's the worst part with having anything in a pad. You end up with all that stuff that doesn't come off all the time. And I didn't see it until I flipped it over. Okay. I think that's pretty good there. Okay, and right here on top of this little dresser, I'm gonna shoot to put it over that. And I think there were probably about 5 months here. Okay, and then since I've covered up part of the stork, I'm gonna cover up the rest of it. Oh, and I think I need just a little bit more tape here. And where's my favorite scissors for that? I think that's gonna be too wide. I thought it was all done. I think I got a call and that was, and I thought it was done. Okay, I think that should do it. Just gonna put my little peely parts over here so I'm got them contained. Okay, I'm eyeballing where my tweezers are because I'm sure I'm going to need those pretty soon. This paper is just so cute. Okay, and then where this is at, this is the same picture, but I'm going to pull it down just a little bit so it looks like it's layers of those flowers, and that way it helps to cover up my stork since he wasn't going to be fully there. And then I'm going to put a star in place of this one. And when I put dimensionals on the backs of the stars, I will cut them in half, sometimes 3, depending on how big they are, and just kind of work my way around it. I don't know if you can see that. And then this one here, it's like I can see it's darker there. So I noticed if I turn this to the darkest side, this is the actual way that the star is actually laid there too. Because sometimes it's like the star isn't a perfect shape. So if you line it up with the one that they have on there, then it's exactly the same direction. Okay, now I gotta find that on here. And it looks like it's gonna be right like that. Okay. And let's see my other things. And then I've got one I'm gonna put up here. I'm stuck. I keep trying to get them off and they keep sticking to me. Okay, and then on this one here I can see the little dark spots there. So this should end up right with that one. And then I'm gonna put the title right here and it's gonna be called Our Buddy. Because that's what they always call him, Buddy. So I'm gonna stick that right here. I've been liking playing with one word from the American Crafts Grayson and then using some of the stickers from the word sticker sheet. So it's Our Buddy, and I'm just gonna, oh, there's a little spot that pulls out of there. I don't want it to stick to my paper, so I'm sticking on that wax paper. And I'm gonna put the O right around the B. And then I do have a little rattle that I'm gonna stick down here by the rocking horse. And I'm actually going to use the same color that I used on Alex's yesterday. And do I want to use some of the bigger ones today? Maybe. I think I'm going to put a bigger one over here. And a smaller one over here and the tiny one over here. I just couldn't get rid of that little back of the dimensional. Okay, I think I'm gonna put maybe here. Decisions. And then I want one over here someplace, maybe there. I did notice yesterday I do like it in a triangle, so I'm gonna work for that. Okay, and that should do it right there. So make sure you check out the other ladies that are playing Collection Obsession, and I will be back tomorrow with I don't know what. It's a mystery to me. But I'm happy to be getting some of the scrapbooking done, even though I still want to work in my room a little, because even though it's not so messy, I still would like to do some things in there, so I might come back with something like that tomorrow. So have a wonderful and blessed day. I will have close-ups at the end. Bye-bye.